Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous session, we started the exercise 13.2 and we have solved few questions from the 13.2 exercise. Let us continue the exercise. So 13.2 exercise contains the solutions for the problems based on laws of exponents. Here, last class we started up to question number 2. Let us continue the next question here. In the third question, so these are the questions we have to use laws of exponents, or you have to use the laws to solve the questions. Let us go for the third question here. In third question, what we have is 25 to this already we have done. This third question we have completed. Let us go to the fourth question. This fourth, I think fourth question also we have completed. Let me repeat. The 3 into 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 2, 2 times I have taken, and 21 I kept as it is, and 11 to the power 8 minus 3, because this 2 are in the base. When bases are same, we have to subtract the powers. Let us solve this one. 3 ones are 3 sevens are, again 7 ones are 7, and what left here? 7 left into 10 to the 11 to the power 8 minus 3, that is 5. So that is the final answer. Let us go to the next question here. 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. So this, in the numerator, let us keep this 3 to the power 7 as it is. So when bases are same, add the powers, that is 3 plus 4. 3 to the power 3 plus 4, that is 7. So again 7, 7, here also we can cancel, we will get the answer as 1, or again we can apply the law here. When bases are same, subtract the powers. 3 to the power 7 minus 7, that is 0. Any number to the power, that is any number to the power 0 will give the answer as 1. Hope this answer is clear. Let us go to the next one, that is sixth question. That is a direct question here. Any number to the power is 1 plus 3 to the power 0 is again 1 plus 4 to the power 0 is 1. So here we have the addition here. Let us add these 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. What I have done? I have used a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, for the next question, 2 to the power 0 is 1. Here we have the multiplication symbol into, again 3 to the power 0 is 1 into 4 to the power 0 is 1. Therefore, the answer is 1 into 1 into 1. That answer is 3. So, which law I have used here? A to the power 0. Let us go to the next question. Same here we are using a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 into 5 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So what is our answer? 2 is our final answer. Like this we have to use the laws to solve the sums. Let us go to the ninth question here. 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. Here what I should do, as I told earlier, this 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. So 4 is also written as 2 to the power 2, and already we have the power here. So what I am doing? I am not changing anything to that power. Let us keep that power as it is. So this 4 is written in the form of 2 to the power 2 and whole to the power 3. And let us use the laws. 2 to the power 8 into, these two are having same base. When we have the same base in the division form, subtract the powers, correct. So 2 to the power 8 as it is. 8 to the power 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 2 to the power. Power to the power means we have to multiply. So 2 to the 6. Again we have to use, because we have the same base. When bases are same, subtract the powers in the division form. So 2 to the power 8 minus 6 into a to the power 2 as it is. 8 minus 6 is 2 and this a to the power 2 as it is. But we have one more law here. When the powers are same, multiply the bases. So keep the power as it is and multiply 2 into a is 2. Hope this answer is clear to you. Let us go to the next question. In next question what we have? A to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3 into a to the power 8. So these two are in the division form. Bases are same in the division form. Subtract the power, that is a to the power 5 minus 3, and keep this a to the power 8 as it is. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 8 as it is. Again here we have bases are same. When bases are same, add the power. So 2 plus 8 is 10. So this is our final answer. Hope you are understanding the laws of exponents and their application. Let us go to the next question here. In the 11th question, we have 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 8, b to the power 3 divided by 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 5 into b to the power 2. Here we need not to convert this 4 to the 4 in the form of exponents, because in the denominator also I have base 4, numerator also I have 4. So directly I can apply the exponent formula or the law. So bases are same. In the division form, subtract the powers. 4 to the power 5 minus 5 into. Here again bases are same. So in the division form 8 minus 5. Similarly bases are same. 3 minus 2. So 4 to the power 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 to the power 8 minus 5 is 3. And b to the power 3 minus 2 is 1. So any number is nothing means we can consider it as a to the power 1. Again 4 to the power 0 means any number to the power 0 is 1 and a to the power 3 into b. This is our final answer. Let us go to the next question here. 2 to the power 3 into 2 whole to the power 2. So here 2 to the power 3 into, so what I am doing here, this power is there, no? I am giving to the both the bases. I am separating this power for both. So 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. This question can also be done in a different way. Let me complete this one and I will show that method also. 2 to the power 3 into 2 is 6 into 2 to the power 2 as it is. When bases are same, add the powers, that is 2 to the power 6 plus 2 is 8. So this question can also be done in another way. Here bases are same, add the powers. So let me add the powers there. Here is 3 and here is nothing is there means 1. So that is 3 plus 1 is 4 and whole to the power 2 is there. Power to the power, again we have to, so both the methods are correct. Here what I have done, here both the bases are same, add the powers. 3 plus 1, nothing is there means 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. Power to the power is 4 to the 8. The same answer I am getting. So like this we have to use the exponents, laws, and we have to complete our solution. 2 more questions are there. Let us solve them. Say true or false and justify your answer. What they have given? 10 into 10 to the power 11. Let us see here. 10 into 10 to the power 11 is 10 to the power 10 plus 1 is 11 plus 1 is 12. That is our RHS. And the LHS they have given is 10 to the power 22. So 12 and 22 they are not same. So the statement is false. 2 to the power 3 is greater than 5 to the power 2, they are telling. 2 to the power 3 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 5 to the power 2 is nothing but 5 to the power 2 is 5 into 5. So 5 to the power 2 is nothing but 25. So 8 is not greater than 25, but they have given 8 is greater than 25. The statement is false. Next one is again 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 is equal to 6 to the power 5. So what we have to do here? Let us go for LHS and RH separately. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 is again 8. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 8 9s are 72. And 6 to the power 5 means 6 we have to multiply 5 times. The answer is 7776. Both are not same. So the statement is false. Here 3 to the power 0 and 100,000 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0 is 1. The statement is correct. So like this we have to solve our sums. Hope you have understood all the sums. Let us meet in our next session. Thank you.